Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Rahul. Rahul has been trading with us from the 12th of January 2021 up until the present date of review 11th of June 2021. This is the journey of Rahul. Rahul has gained 0.08% gain with a monthly gain of 2.242% and a drawdown of 11.86%. Rahul has a total balance he's managing of $30,000. Moving forward now, Rahul has traded 1,962 times. And looking at the advanced statistics, he's won 1,332 out of 1962 trades, which represents 68% successful rate overall, and he's lost 630 out of 1962, which represents 32%. So Rahul's just above average. But Rahul, what I can suggest looking at these trades, there are quite a lot of trades over a 6-month period. But what you can focus on is trying to take quality trades and low risk. But we're going to see as we review the account ways we can improve on this account, not taking nothing away from your achievement. There's always room for improvement as a trader, because this same achievement has gained you 4,147 pips, which is a lot of hard work. So looking at your journey, we can see from January you made 4.42%. In February you're down by minus 6.32%. March you're up by 0.18%. April 3.67%, May 4.21%, and June 6.73%. So over the last 6 months, you've steadily improved your percentage gain. So that's a lot of hard work. So I will like you to focus on the things you can improve as a trader. So one thing I'll recommend, and I always tell a lot of traders, is always have a stop loss in place, because a stop loss will prevent you from having excessive losses. It will protect you from uncertainty and always put you in control of the trade, and also have an exit position as well, because there's knowing when to get in and when to get out. So that way you can still lock in some profit to show signs for your consistent gains, than having a position in profit only to lose and give back all your gains, all that hard work for nothing. So these are a few things you can take on board. And looking at your pairs, you've only traded one pair mainly, I can see from here, which is the pound US dollar, which is a very liquid volatile pair. But you can also experiment a few other things as well, as you've done. So looking at the summary of all your trades, you've been very successful trading the pound US dollar, where you've made a staggering 3,620.8 pips. And you've traded the US dollar yen as well, where you made 152 pips. And you traded the euro US dollar as well, where you made 382.2 pips. So over a period of time, we can see where your strength is. So I'll focus on where your strength lies, and at the same time try to improve on where you're not good at. In working on your psychological mindset will help you be disciplined and keep you steadily on the point of success, where you're not guessing trades and you're taking very low risk and high quality trades to help you achieve your 10%. So these are just a few suggestions you can add to improve on your account. But other than that, a very good achievement, and a lot of hard work's been put into this. So congratulations on that, and I'd like you to take these suggestions on board to help you achieve even better and move on to manage $60,000. So congratulations on your achievement.